Hey friends, if the save as window keeps popping up in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, okay, so here's what you have to do. The procedure will be the same for all three of them. I'll show it for Excel in that case. So the reason is add-ins. There could be no other reason. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command excel.exe space forward slash save and hit enter. Okay, click on file here, select options, select add-ins, change this to com add-ins, click on go, select all these add-ins here and then click on remove and then make sure that these are removed. Was this helpful? Okay, wait. After that, launch it once again. And this time the problem should be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.